Hey guys, what's up? It's your friend Jake B. I hope you guys are safe. Welcome to Threadz. So what is Threadz? Well, basically we know that now more than ever many people are trying to start their own YouTube channel or following on social media. And as time goes by, many of you guys would be interested in starting and providing merch for your fans. But you know, it can be a bit scary heading into something new. Many of you are unsure of where to start, what fabric should I use, or what fabrics are good for printing. So don't worry guys, your boys got you covered. In this series we're going to take a look at some of those things, touch on the basics when getting started, and just to help you guys get into the swing. What picks to make to suit your needs and keep your fans happy at the same time. So let's get into it. So guys, when getting started, we're going to take a page out of your ex's book and get materialistic. That's right guys, we're going to talk materials, fabrics. For you guys that are interested in making t-shirts, a good pick is single jersey. It is very versatile, men's wear, ladies wear, and for kiddies wear as well. It's breathable, it's very light, it will probably run you about 45 to 50 rand a meter, and for you guys in the States it will be about $2 to $3. For you guys that are interested in making hoodies, you probably want to go with poly cotton. It's less prone to static, it is soft, it holds its shape and color very well, and unlike you guys that get into the pool for the first time, it is shrink resistant. It will probably run you about 30 to 40 rand, and for you guys in the States it will probably be just over $2. So for you guys that are interested in sportwear, you probably want to go with polyester. It's durable, it's super light, it's wrinkle resistant, and it draws moisture away from the skin. It will probably run you about 30 to 40 rand. For you guys in the West, it will probably be just over $2 a pop. So guys, we're going to talk about some fabrics that may not be best when making your merch. First up guys, we've got the high ratio poly. This fabric is ubiquitous and fairly cheap, but just a heads up, this fabric tends to retain moisture and holds odors very easily. Up next guys, we've got the soft stretch nylon spandex. As you can see, it's not going to be suitable for graphic prints because of the rib design, and it's a very heavy and floppy fabric. So last but not least guys, we've got the 100% cotton. It tears easily, it's thick, it's less breathable, and its color tends to fade. If you guys would like to skip the hassle of making your own garments, you guys could also choose to go with purchasing your own blanks, hoodies or tees in bulk. Now keep in mind guys that this is more of a time saver kind of a deal, as some providers may or may not offer order customization. Many of them also work on a minimum order basis, meaning you are going to have to pony up to take a set amount off their hands at a time. This may or may not be an ideal solution for you guys, but this is an option that's available. So try and shop around guys to find the best deals. I also recommend going to physical stores over ordering online. So there you have it guys, share the love, drop a like and sub if you found this video useful. Sound off in the comments. Peace.